Alright, and here we have a 2005 Polaris 90cc. I bought these two quads. There's another one. This and all it needed was a carb clean. That's the carb. Usually they're fairly cheap, 25, 30 bucks, 40 through Amazon. They are Chinese though. Some people don't like Chinese parts on their vehicles or quads. But this one also had a problem here. The contacts inside for this switch were bad, or they were dirty. All I had to do was clean it. It wouldn't turn off when you turned off the key or flip the switch off. And this is gonna be one of our flips. Fairly good tires. It's missing that eye there or whatever, because it's not really a light, it's just a sticker. It does have some scratches. It does have the lever for forward, neutral, and reverse. It is an electric start and a kick start. Neutral, reverse, and I'm not too sure what that's for. That's your throttle, your back brake, I believe, your front brake, or your back brake, front brake. And there you go. It does look like there's a little bit of leak from there, but I think it's because it was overfilled. There goes the starter as well. That's for the transfer case or the oil. I believe it's transfer case oil. Correct me if I'm wrong. And some of the things you should inspect is make sure the throttle, brakes work good, that there's no broken parts on the plastics. Make sure it does drive forward and back just fine. Make sure all the buttons, horns, if any lights, make sure they all work. Kick the tires, whatever you need to do, get under there and inspect before you make the purchase, before you make the decision. Make sure there's nothing bent, broken, or missing. Make sure the title also matches the bike. Most of them, or if not all of them, have a VIN number, just like cars. They're both numerals and letters, and they have them in different locations. I've seen them in the front on the left hand side, and some of them throughout the years they changed, but correct me if I'm wrong. But also when you're loading, if it's a smaller bike, one person can do it. Two is always best, but just as you can see in the video, do that with your bike if you don't have any ramps. And be safe out there, people. Another one. Let's do it. Let's go get some more.